Compilation videos with titles like 10 Unbelievable Military Low Passes That Defy Physics can be found on platforms like YouTube and showcase extreme displays of piloting skill. While these maneuvers may appear to defy physics, they are actually powerful demonstrations of pilots operating high-performance aircraft at the edge of their capabilities and within the laws of aerodynamics. Some of the most prominent compilations feature footage from the Mach Loop Wales, a low-level flight training area in the Welsh Valleys where pilots from different countries practice flying fighter jets like the F-15E Strike Eagle, F-35A, and Typhoons at very low altitudes.